Very cheerful morning, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today is Monday and we are going to learn English subject. Yes, with new topic that is vowels. Okay, already you had learnt about alphabet. Yes, out of 26 letters, some letters are very special that are which alphabet is this? A. Then which alphabet is this? E. Which alphabet is this? I. Which alphabet is this? O. Which alphabet is this? U. These are very special letters out of this. Okay, that is A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O and U are very special letters. Okay, so these are called vowels. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. That is swar. And rest of the letters are consonant. That is vyanjan. Okay. Yes, dear kids, there are 21 letters in consonant. Okay, that is called vyanjan. Yes, kids, there are 21 letters in English alphabet. They are called consonant, and in Hindi we say that is vyanjan. Okay, and there are 5 vowels are there. That is special, very special letters. They are called vowels and they are only 5. That is A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Then consonants are in numbers 21. 2, 1, 21. Okay. Yes. Now I will tell you one story about vowels. Come along with me. Hello friends. Today I will tell you vowels and their sounds and vowel story now. Friends, let's start. Hello friends. Hello friends. We are your friends. We are 5 brothers and our surname is vowels. You know how many vowels? There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And which is the first vowel? A. A is the first vowel and my sound is A, and. I am E vowel. My sound is E, and elephant. And I am I sound. My sound is E, ice cream. And I am O vowel. And my sound is O, orange. I am U sound. A umbrella. An elephant. They love to eat ice cream. Which flavor? Orange flavor. Where? Under the umbrella. Once again repeat. An elephant. They love to eat ice cream. Which flavor? Orange flavor. And where? Under the umbrella. I hope you enjoyed the story of vowels. Yes, dear kids, I hope you had enjoyed the vowel story. Yes, now take out your English textbook and page number 1717. Okay, so we will solve this page. The following pictures begin their names with vowels. Identify them and write the first letter of their names. What you have to do this? You have to identify the picture. Which bird is this, beta? Ostrich. Okay, ostrich start from beginning letter is O. O for ostrich. So you have to write here O. Then which picture is this? This is an orange. O for orange. O for ostrich, an ostrich. Okay. Then which picture is this? This is apple, an apple. So you have to write only A, apple. A apple. Yes, dear kids, you have to write only the beginning name of this picture. Okay, this is ostrich. So we have to write it O here. O for ostrich. Then this is orange. O for orange. Okay, O. Which picture is this? This is apple. So you have to write A. Which alphabet you have to write? A. Only starting letter. Yes. Which picture is this? This is umbrella. So you have to write U here. Okay. Now identify this bird. This is eagle. E for eagle. So you have to write here E. Yes, dear kids, which picture is this? This is ink pot. So you have to write it here I for ink pot. Which picture is this? This is ink pot. I for ink pot. So you have to write the beginning letter, that is I. Okay. Now identify this picture. Yes, this is your favorite, that is I for ice cream. Then write I for ice cream. Okay. Then which picture is this? This is igloo. Igloo, I for igloo. Again write I for igloo. And which picture is this? This is all. O for all. Then you have to write O. Yes, dear kids, as Miss already told you, there are 21 letters are there in consonant. Okay. So these are consonants, that means Vyanjan. These are 21. Just count all the alphabets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Total there are 21. These are called consonants, means Vyanjan. Okay. Now dear kids, take out page number 1818. Yes dear kids, I think you had understood what is consonant. Now we will do this page. Okay. The following pictures begin their names with consonant. Identify them and write the first letter of their names. Okay. Like the same way we had done like vowels, so we have to do this page also. Okay. Which animal is this, beta? Come on, tell me. Yes, tell me which animal is this? This is camel. So you have to write C here. Okay. Now what is this? This is penguin. So you have to write P here. That is consonant. Okay. Now which picture is this? This is king. K for king. So you have to write K. K is consonant. Okay. Yes dear kids, take out page number 1919. 1919. Okay. Yes, now look the pictures, identify them and write the missing vowels. Okay. So what you have to do is, some letters are written over here, only you have to insert the vowels. Okay. So which picture is this, beta? Arrow. Which picture is this? So you have to insert only A. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. Okay. Then which picture is this? This is bag. So B, you have to write A-G. Bag. Okay. And you also have to read the spelling also. Which picture is this? This is cab. See, again you have to write A-B. Cab. C-A-B. Cab. Yes, which picture is this? This is cab. So you have to insert vowels, that is C-A-P. Cap. Okay. Yes, now which picture is this? This is, the boy is showing us lad. L-A-D. Lad. A is vowel. And which fruit is this? This is your favorite fruit, that is an apple. So you have to write here A. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Now which picture is this? This is yummy yummy jam. Fruit jam. Okay. So you have to write A. J-A-M. Jam. Okay. Yes. Which picture is this? This is bat. B. Again you have to write A here. A is a vowel. T. B-A-T. Bat. Now which picture is this? This is pan. P-A-N. Pan. Okay. Again A is a vowel. Okay. Like this way you have to complete this page of 19. Inserting vowel. Missing vowels. Okay. Now we will read all these letters. A, R, R, O, W. Arrow. B-A-G, bag. Then C-A-B, cab. C-A-P, cap. Then L-A-D, lad. Okay, L-A-D, lad. A-P-P-L-E, apple. J-A-M, jam. B-A-T, bat. Then P-A-N, pan. Now dear kids, this page number 20. Page number 20 is your homework beta. You have to complete this page, okay? You have to insert only vowels, okay? Missing vowels. Look at the picture and write the missing vowels. First I will explain, then you have to complete this page, and this page is your homework. Okay? Yes. Which picture is this? This is egg. So you have to write here E. And which picture is this? This is jet. You have to write E. Which picture is this? This is leg. So you have to insert only E. E, that is vowel, swar. Which picture is this? This is bed. B. Had already written here. You have to insert only E. That is vowel. Okay. This is nest. And again you have to write here E-S-T. Nest. Okay. Which picture is this? This is nest. So you have to write here E. That is vowel. N-E-S-T. Nest. Yes. Which picture is this? This is tent. T. You have to insert E. N-T. Tent. Which picture is this? This is well. Again you have to insert here E. W-E-L-L. Well. Now which picture is this? This is web. W-E-B. Web. You have to insert here E. That is vowel. Yes. Which picture is this? This is pet. Again you have to insert here E. P-E-T. Pet. Like this way you have to complete up to page 2020 and send it to me along with reading also beta. Okay, you have to read the